Your kidneys are a pair of organs located toward your lower back. One kidney is on each side of your spine. They filter your blood and remove toxins from your body. Your kidneys send toxins to your bladder. Your body later removes toxins during urination. Kidney failure occurs when your kidneys lose the ability to filter waste from your blood sufficiently. You might not notice any problems if you have chronic kidney disease that's in the early stages. Most people don't have symptoms at that point. That's dangerous, because the damage can happen without you realizing it. Here's what you should look out for. 1. Lower back pain. Pain and discomfort in the lower back is one of the most common symptoms of poor kidney health. The pain may begin on one or both sides. However, if left untreated, it will generally affect both sides within a short period of time. This discomfort will ease, in some cases, whenever you urinate. 2. Urination patterns. Another common warning signal is changes in urinary function such as an odd or unfamiliar odor, paler or darker appearance, and reduced or increased frequency. Urine may suddenly become foamy or it may become painful to urinate. If you experience any of these symptoms or discover blood in your pee, it is important to consult a professional immediately. 3. Swelling. When kidneys are not functioning properly and not eliminating waste from the body efficiently, it can cause edema or swelling. These fluids may accumulate in hands, feet, legs, ankles, and face. In extremely serious cases, edema can develop in the lungs and heart. 4. Skin problems. Poorly functioning kidneys can allow toxins to build up and cause dryness, rashes, and serious itching. There are a number of topical treatments, prescription, OTC, and natural ingredients that can help. However, these will not address the underlying condition. 5. Oxygen failure. One of the vital functions of the kidneys is to produce erythropoietin, which is important for the production of oxygen-carrying red blood cells. The shortage of red blood cells in the body can result in anemia or iron deficiency. Low iron levels can make individuals feel cold even in a warm environment, as well as chronic weakness and fatigue. To improve kidney health, avoid cadmium, do not smoke, drink plenty of healthy fluids, engage in daily physical activity, drink cranberry juice, consume herbal teas, juniper berries, horsetail, goldenrod blossoms, burdock root. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.